Hello, I'm Wendy. Today I am going to be unboxing Boxycharm for like the second time. I cheated and opened it yesterday so I could try the products out. I'm going to say right now, I'm sorry if my bird has a fit. He's been being a dick the last 20 minutes, so I don't know, but I wanted to get this video out. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service for $21, and you get 5 full-size beauty-related items. I say beauty-related because sometimes you get a brush in there, so it's not like product, but the brushes are awesome. But anyways, it comes like this. This is what you will get in the mail. And when you open it up, this is what you see, just in case you were wondering. It's got a card in here that tells you about all of the items in your box. And then this month we've got an extra card in here because there's a product that does not have the ingredients listed on it, so they actually put a card in here, which is really nice of them to do. You know, so you know what the hell you're putting on your face. This month is Rock 2018. It's the theme of the box. You can enter contests and stuff that they have, which is actually pretty cool. I'm going to link them down below. It'll be an affiliate link. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. Just go to boxycharm.com. But, you know, you could also do a girl a favor and use my link. But anyways, yeah, so that's it. Quick and easy this time, I think. Like, not most of my other videos. You're gonna see me look at my lips. I'm sorry, my mouth is so freaking dry today. My meds are kicking my butt. I just started the video and already my face is like, Alright, anyway. I just wanted you to know that. Here, I'll start with that product and probably tell you why. This is from Galactic. It's their matte lip paint. Cutest packaging ever for a lip. I love it. This is the color Demure. I have it on now. Matte, I don't use a lot of liquid lipsticks because, especially the matte, well, no, any, because the mattes tend to dry my lips really, really bad. And the glossy ones, the shiny, tend to stick, and I don't like the way they feel. So I use regular lipsticks and crayons and things like that. But I really like this one. Did I say it was Demure? It retails for $23. I should really hold it up to you, right? It says do not apply with a lip balm or lip primer before application. I did use a lip pencil, and I don't know if that's why it's making my mouth a little bit drier than it was yesterday, because I tried it out yesterday and it didn't make me feel like I had to do anything. But this, between my meds and the matte, it's making me go meh. So I'm not on drugs, well, not good drugs, medications. Yeah, but if you like liquid lipsticks, you're gonna love it because it is really nice, and the feel is good. I will say that it's not the same kind of drying feeling the other ones make me feel, and I'm sure you could put a gloss over it or something. I'm just not a big gloss person. Yeah, so that was Galactic lip paint. I guess we can do this one. It's from Dr. Brandt, which is an amazing brand. They're always usually on the pricey side, but they're really good products. This is their Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Good size. I don't know how many ounces. It's a 1 fluid ounce, which will last forever because it's a primer. Yeah, Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Retails for $38. Again, if this is the only product you like, you're making your money and you don't, you know, you can toss everything else and still feel good. It says it delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. I'll be honest, it didn't do a whole lot of pore filling. I think it made my makeup go on nice, and hopefully it'll make it last longer. Yeah. If I could speak clearly, it would be good. I have a cheapy primer that I'm going to make a video, not just about the primer, but about the products from Shop Miss A. I got for $1, and it filled my pores like, holy crap, really, really well. But, I'm going to definitely use this. I'm not saying it's bad by any means. But it did go, made my skin smooth. I don't know. It did what primers do. The next one, I'll do this. It is from It Cosmetics for $24. It's their Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Normal packaging. It Cosmetics is a really nice, has really nice stuff. This is in, what is this? Universal Taupe is the color. I have it on today. I used it. It comes with a little spoolie and the stuff on the other end. I can say I was planning on using powder and all that stuff. I didn't need to. I thought it did a good job on my brows. I mean, it looks fine. Like, I wouldn't be embarrassed to go outside and without doing a second, you know, product on my eyebrows. I'm going to read this to you because there's a lot of really good ingredients in here. Developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics, number one best-selling, award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing grapeseed and vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you your most beautiful, natural-looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, it's universal transforming shade adjust to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie. Blah, blah. But it's got really good things in it, so I'm definitely going to use it a lot. I don't think if you have black hair, it's going to be good for you. Or red hair. Well, it might work for red, depending on your brow color, because I've seen... Alright, anyways, I'm going to not ramble about it. But they say if you do it lightly do them, hair strokes, then it looks more for a blonde person. If you do medium pressure, it's for, you know, a light brown, medium brown color. If you do it heavier, it's for darker colors. I tend to have a heavy hand, but it matched my brow color very well. So I'm very happy about that. Again, every single product in here is over the $20, so you make your money no matter what. And I keep stressing that because a lot of people are afraid to sign up for these subscription services. You know, they don't know what they're going to get, if products are any good or anything like that. I will say Boxycharm is my all-time favorite. I have tried many. I have Ipsy as well. I think either this month or next month I'm going to cancel it, and I'm going to look for one that I haven't tried yet. But I've told my husband I will never, ever quit Boxycharm. It's just not going to happen. Deal with it. It's really good stuff. Easy way to build up your makeup collection. And I know I'm rambling, but I can't believe there's not more people that do this. On to the next item. It is the Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Alright. It retails for $34. I know I've said it before, and then I couldn't talk about the packaging, but this is really, I don't even know how to explain it. It's a very sturdy feeling, I guess is what you... Alright, anyways. It is a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. It has a mirror the whole size of the thing, which, see. But it has these very pretty colors, but look, they're shiny. I am not a shiny bronzer blush person. I'm just not. I say it retails for $34. It says on-the-go highlight bronzer and blush palettes with 3 skin-perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. It's got Afterglow, Mineral Glow, and the new blush shade, Blushing Glow. They're very original in their names. But here, I'll do a little swatchy. I used them today, and I love the highlighter. But this is the bronzer. Like, what? And the blush is just... Here, turn your hand the right way, Wendy. See, it's just a shiny. I had to, like, go over my makeup. That's why it's so kind of on the dark side today. I don't know if that's going to come out on video or not, but see, look. Like, hello. There you go. Look at that shine. I will definitely keep using them as what they're meant for. I'm going to try a bunch of different things. Like, it just may not have worked with the brush that I had today. I'm going to try them as a topper to other, like, the blush to top it over it, and maybe use the bronzer just in certain spots. But even if I don't use them that way, I will definitely use them for eyeshadows, because, I mean, come on, holy shit, right? They're very pretty, and they're very pigmented. That's all I'm saying. So if you do get this box, or you buy the product, be careful, or you will be shining all over, which isn't the most attractive look, at least not on me. Anyway, the last item is awesome. I'm just gonna say that. Where is it in here? Crown Pro Glam Metals Palette. Now, I have never heard of Crown Pro. I know of a Crown brush. I don't know if that's the same thing. I don't think so. The logo looks different. But anyways, it retails for $25. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes look like a breeze. Packaging is cute. It's like this. It's got a little paragraph, like, rock on, whatever. This is another one that I think the packaging is so cool. Like, come on. The middle of the back has this, and then on the inside it has that same image with a mirror in it. Right? Like, how cute is that? Can you see all the junk behind me? Uh-oh, camera. Here's all my makeup. Alright, anyway. It's a little weird, the mirror. I will say that, because it's a little awkward. But, you know, how many people actually use that if they're doing their makeup at home? I don't know. I guess a lot. I don't know. Whatever. It's got 9 really pretty colors. I'm wearing this one along with the black. I had to use another palette for a crease kind of color, you know, a transition, whatever they call it, colors, and an all-over color. I used Soiree Diaries. Sorry. Look, it's from them. I use that for the... Apparently my bird doesn't like that eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Seriously. I totally spaced the fact that that was from Pure, but yeah. So I used only Pure eyeshadows. But anyways, they're really pretty. I'm not going to swatch them all because I'm sure there's 1,000,001 videos if you really want to see them swatched. The black is not a shiny, and the brown is not a shimmery kind of color. The rest are shimmery. So it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. And it can be used for 1,000,000 different things. Yeah, it's really pretty. So that is everything that came in the Boxycharm. But while I have you, I want to talk about 2 little things, because it's like they've changed my life. Well, not really. The first one is from, it's going to be in the other video, so I don't know why I'm telling you now, but Shop Miss A, if you're looking for sponges, I bought this for $1 off of Shop Miss A, and it's awesome. It's that in between super soft and very dense, because I have one of both of those. It's very in between it, but it's really nice, and I know these can be expensive, so I would definitely go check those out. But yeah, that's that. The other thing is from e.l.f. I bought a bunch of stuff from them a while ago, and I can't remember if I made a video about it or not. I probably did, but anyway, you're here, so I'm going to tell you now. It's an eyeshadow primer. I mean, eyeshadow, yeah. Mascara primer. Eyelash. Oh my god. English is so hard. It is a eyelash primer. There you go. It looks white, but it dries clear. But you can literally see it adding, it claims to add length and thickness to your eyelashes. I don't know why I want to talk about my eyebrows so badly, but when you do it and you watch it, you can actually see it adding length and separating your lashes and stuff. It's actually kind of insane. But then you use your regular mascara, any mascara, doesn't matter, on top of it. And it's insane how prominent your eyelashes become, because I don't know if you're going to see. Ooh, I love my eyelashes. Today I used the, what did I use? The Tardiest mascara that I got in my box last month. But I've also used it with the Essence Lash Princess stuff, and both of them look fantastic. I want to try them on my Scandal Eyes. And this one that I got in a box, that I don't really like it. It's from Michael Marcus, whoever the hell that is. But I'm going to try that next with it. Sorry for the banging. It's very rude of me. But yeah, there you go. I just thought I would throw that out there because it's like $5. And it's worth it. Because it's good things for your lashes too. Go to e.l.f.com. No, it's eyes, lips, face.com or something. I don't know. Do a search for e.l.f. You'll friggin' find it. Or I'll put a link below. Because I could be nice and do that. If you like this and you want to see other unboxings that I do, I have Ipsy coming. It's supposed to be here like Thursday. I don't know why it's so late. But that, and then I do little hauls, like not huge hauls because I'm not rich. But things like from e.l.f. and Essence and Maybelline, I don't know, like drugstore brands or cheaper. I do those, like I have the one from Shop Miss A that I'm going to talk about a few products. And as all my viewers are running away, I'm just going to say, please subscribe. Do an old lady a favor, even if you never come back. It'll make me feel good. Because I want to have friends. Right? Everybody wants friends. So, yeah. I hope you have a great day or night, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. And apparently my bird says goodbye, and I say goodbye.